Millaa Millaa. We've been in Millaa Millaa, stayed in, it's quite a nice cabin. 2 nights in there. Note the air conditioner on the wall over there. Works in reverse cycle for heating and excellent for drying out wet clothes, which we had plenty of. This is our cabin. We've just packed it all up. It's all cleaned up now. We've left. It's funny to enter it through the bathroom, and the bedroom, but it's a good sized big bedroom for 2 nights while we did the waterfall loop around town. Very grey, rained last night. It feels like Trentham on a November day.
November?
Yeah.
Or July?
No, not July. Trentham in July is more like snow, but you know, Trentham in November on a wet, bleak day. And we're not far from the highest town in Queensland. We're heading to Ravenshoe today. And actually it's interesting because Trentham is also the highest town in Victoria, so it seems appropriate. First into Millaa Millaa for coffee, and we'll get some food to carry with us for lunch. We're up in the cloud. Did the waterfall loop yesterday. Today, can't see a thing. We're glad we did it yesterday. And today, roll down the hill. This is looking down the Beatrice Way. Just come up the hill from down there. It's very grey, bleak, rainy, drizzly sort of weather, but not too cold. Come to sunny Queensland, they said. Enjoy the beautiful, dry, sunny days, blue skies and lovely warm weather, they said. Oh yeah, on this rather lovely Beatrice Way it's called. It's a very nice road because it's actually the old Palmerston Highway. And quiet, just a few cars going past every now and then, and beautiful scenery. Hidden in the clouds a bit today, but golly, getting more and more like South Australia all the time, including the rain. Oh yeah, down that way, Ravenshoe we're headed for. The road's got a really nice gradient to it. Not too hard. Don't get down the bottom view climbing it, and it's not too steep on the descent, I think. Just highway. You shouldn't be on the road, Mr. Rooster. Oh, look, there's a monstera deliciosa growing wild by the roadside. These plants in Melbourne are indoor hot plants coming down to the Beatrice River. Now, it said there were some falls here, but I don't reckon they're very big. The Beatrice River Falls. I don't know whether you can see it on the screen, but there's an amazing flock of swifts, swallows, just flying about all over the place here. Great old day. It's a very Victorian sort of day here at the moment. It's drizzling rain the whole time. Yeah, keep on rolling if you like, dear. I'm back into some rainforest on the hilltop. Dense sort of forest either side of the road. Palms and ferns and all sorts of things around. Down we go again. Just had lunch. Waited out a rainfall. Here we come into Atherton Falls. Stop and check it out. It's just close by the road here. Down here to a viewing point. As far as you can go, really. The size here, they're not bad. They're called the Pepina Falls. I don't know who Pepina was or what the story is, but they're a nice set of falls. Got a few more hills to climb, and it's wet. A grey old day. A nice rainforest along here though. See it off there to the left. climbs mean we can sort of keep warm a bit more. Really unusual looking tree straight ahead. I think it's a pine of some sort. It's just probably a bunya pine, but the growth, it's really strange. Haven't seen it like that before. Just went past the place, a signpost up a side road pointing to Misty Mountains. I think we were already there, really. Yes, quite the misty. Cattle-grazing taking off, going away down there. Beautiful, really. Just no traffic. Old highway, nice gradient. Too steep. Just lovely. I think we've climbed off a fair bit now, but still no views. Just did a very long and consistent climb, a couple of kilometres, and we got a little discount. We just had a very long climb. Must have been the major climb to get us up to Ravenshoe. Through that dense rainforest again, all the way. And we're getting the full rainforest experience today. Forest with plenty of rain. Oh, 11 kilometres to Ravenshoe. Yeah. Suddenly come over patch of rainforest and it does look like conditions have changed. Still very overcast and cloudy and misty and rainy, but the landscape is very different. Down the big climb, I think. Undulation. Not too bad. It isn't going until almost 12 o'clock. What is it now? Just come up to 3. We stopped for lunch along the way, so really probably only had about 2 hours of riding. Mostly climbing. Probably got an average speed of about 12 kilometres an hour, I reckon. We've battled up. We're probably something over 1,000 metres here, maybe even 1,100. Feel the wind turbines there. Stationary at the moment, doesn't need the power. Switch them on when they need them. Oh, every hill we go over we think, is this the last one for Ravenshoe? Maybe it will be. Can't be too far, but we're still in hill country, the higher country. Nice riding through here. We're looking out onto some lower, gentler slopes down there. The landscape is promising. And the rain has stopped. Even that one. See which way the wind blows here, just by that tree. Whoa, crosswind. comes the Kennedy Highway. Left turn for Ravenshoe. Oh, only about 2 kilometres to go now. Yahoo! Oh, a nicer road like silk compared to that bumpy old back road. Well, quite an exploit today. Very wet, very wet.
Was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But
I'm going to race.
when you came
And to the right.
you came
Oh dear, it feels so much nicer and drier. Oh boy.
you down, I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough.
Main Street of Ravenshoe.
I'm here to remind
I
you.
think I'll roll up in town and grab coffee though. Like to eat. Cafe should be open. Pub further up. Pub in this town has a pretty good reputation for a meal, so I'm keen to go and have dinner out today.
And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone.
Cafe doesn't look very open. Look at that. And the Ravenshoe Hotel, it's Queensland's highest pub because it's further up the hill from the other pub. There's one. So, had a great night in the hotel just behind us. You can see the pub, the Ravenshoe Hotel, highest pub in Queensland. We had an excellent dinner last night. Yours was good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I had the chicken Kiev.
Chicken Kiev. And I had an excellent lamb shank in the pub. We stayed the night. It's a grand old hotel inside with lovely facilities, marvellous lounge and the beautiful big veranda up top with lounge chairs and dining tables all through it. Fantastic place to stay if you ever go to Ravenshoe. We're in town now, going to go and get some supplies before we head out to heading to Innot Hot Springs today. We had a bit of a look through yesterday when we came in, but it was a public holiday yesterday for the Atherton show. So today the place is a bit more lively. A lot of cars on the street, all the shops open. It's a very popular cafe called the Popular Cafe Ravenshoe. The caravan park here is in the old station grounds over there. You can see in the distance. And the railway station is a bit of a museum setup. We're heading out of town now. Yeah, busy little town.
Someone will shine. Someone will shine.
We are crossing the Savannah Way. It's leaving Ravenshoe. Main road here. We're not taking that, that's the highway. We're going out on the Tully Falls Road. Just went past some roadworks on the little back road we're taking out to Glen Gordon station, and nice little downhill, and now we've come to the turn off into Little Millstream Falls, just here. Millstream Falls National Park. So we've got one down here. Get a great shot. The waterfall, the Millstream River below, big pool, big pond running out down there. Excellent. A great little spot. Great mossy rock banks along the track into the falls. Just noticed them coming out. A lot of it's dry Savannah country around here, lots of grass. Those walking trails on that sign, they go all over the place. That's a like multi-day hike, goes right back across the ranges, right back over into the rainforest areas. Yeah, big loop. Believe it when I saw it. Peaches perhaps? Yeah, they look like it to me. Sorry? Wouldn't be what? Oh, we've got a little bit of a climb here. Oh, there's a dog barking over there. Good on you, boy. Good on you. Oh! Oh! Crikey, crumpets! Oh, there's a car in the ditch. My God. The adventures you have out here. God, they were peafowl. They scared the living daylights out of me. Shack in there. Nice bit of land, huh? Palm trees. It's foxtail palms, or whatever they're called. Just 3 kangaroos jumped across the road in front of me. So we went to saw the last one. Dry land again, termite mounds up there, and white mounds poking up. So very different to yesterday, just a day ago. Millaa Millaa, it was raining and we were riding through rainforest. It's a complete change. All going good? Yeah, it's a nice run, isn't it? Good surface. Well, this is the outstation of Glen Gordon station. So we're heading to Glen Gordon now. Down the hill. Morning, go take it easy. Rough road. Steep drop down. Going, fellas. Hey, it's all good. Oh dear. They're all used to them. It's just the ones that don't make noise, eh? Glen Gordon station. the cattle country now, big time. Now we're riding along Glen Gordon station, and this country's unfenced road, so the cattle are getting a bit skittish, but we're riding through their turf, as you can see. There you go, babies, all good, all looking good. They're a bit worried, yeah, because
Go off to the side, just stay there.
no, because you're a strange creature coming up, sneaking up to them without
I'm on the road, I've been running front.
Yeah,
I don't need to go anywhere.
yeah, but cattle are herd animals, and they run away from predators. And predators are funny creatures that sneak up on them without making any noise. And that's what we're doing. These sort of roads, you know, you're getting into the outback now. No fences, just cattle grids, and lots of termite mounds. Actually, this road's pretty darn good for an outback road. Look at the flowers on this tree. That's a nice one. Callistemon tree. Bottle brush. Look at the bottle brush. Beautiful. Not sure where the big ditch is, but just a couple of bumps, unless there's something further. Oh boy. Climbing, climbing, climbing. All the way. Quite a climb. And just as well I stopped on the way up and discovered I had a self-extracting front pannier mounting bolt. So I decided to fix that up. Not a good spot to stop for lunch. And down the other side of that hill. Tough old push to get to the top of this. I think this is one of only a few little hills we're going to have this afternoon. Oh, just as well there's no water running through this. Hightailing. They were. It really is like the outback out here. Hungry. Only places. Oh yeah. All through there. Termite. Big termite mound here. There's a flagpole, I wonder. Don't tell me they do coffee out here. No, just a general flag. Nothing special. Private property. Leaving Glen Gordon, having travelled through the Glen Gordon cattle station property for about the last 2 or 3 hours, cruising along. We had lunch on it. Great time. Unfenced roads, cattle all over the place. It was an excellent time. Real outback riding. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Good on you. We're going through. See you later. There's another place. heading for the Herbert River now. Just spent a while riding through Glen Gordon station for several hours, and now Herbert River's the next destination. Oh, here's show the old stuff here. Down some new gravel. We're heading for Innot Hot Springs. Probably got about 20 kilometres to go. Maybe a bit less, maybe 15. That'll be good. You think somebody's going to come bring you some feed? But you got plenty of grass out there. Cattle the same all over. It's a big irrigation job, that. Looks like it's been watering the road a bit too, because it's all coming around on a radial arm, and all the egrets love it. Whatever they've planted there, it's grown well. Floodway or two, and I think then there'll be the river itself still coming up. Oh, lovely. A gorgeous sunny day. We got a bit of rain.